Hello. Towns and cities covered in CLIL Geography Lesson 2. Barcelona, Bilbao, Córdoba, Madrid, Pamplona, Seville, Toledo and Valencia. Barcelona, this is a city in Catalonia in the northeast of Spain. It is famous because Antonio Gaudí, an important architect, built and designed the Güell Park, Sagrada Familia, the Basilica and Casa Mila. Bilbao. Bilbao is in the north of Spain in the Basque Country. There is the Guggenheim Museum here. It was designed by Frank Gehry. Córdoba. It is called the Western Mecca because of La Mezquita. It is an Islamic mosque and a UNESCO listed one. Madrid. The name Madrid comes from Moors who called the city river Almagrit or Manzanares. This is the capital city. The Royal Palace is the largest in Western Europe. The Prado Museum houses many great works of art. There are many parks and gardens in Madrid. Madrid has many churches and there is also a Catholic cathedral too. Pamplona, every year is the bull run, where the frightened bulls run down the streets and people run before them. The bulls are then killed in the bullfights. Seville. This is the capital of the southern Andalusia region of Spain. The Alcazar is the home of the royal family. It was built in the early 9th century. It is the oldest active royal palace in Europe. Seville has one of the last Gothic cathedrals and it is the third biggest in the world. Seville is famous for bullfighting. Seville is also the spiritual home of flamenco dancing. The Art Museum is the second most important after the Prado in Madrid. The Giralda is the bell tower of the cathedral. It is one of the largest churches in the world. Toledo. This is the heart and soul of Spain. It was also the capital. It lies to the south of Madrid. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The most famous artworks of Toledo are by El Greco. This famous artist was born in Greece. You can see his works in the Museum of Santa Cruz and the Museum El Greco. One of the most important Christian landmarks in Spain is the cathedral. The architecture is Gothic. It was built in the 13th century on the site of a Muslim mosque. The Alcazar is a Moorish fortress. Valencia. This large city is on the southeastern coast. It is popular with tourists. It is known for its City of Arts and Sciences, Oceanographic Museum and Biopark. The cathedral in Valencia is important. It is said to be linked to the Holy Grail. Bye-bye.